Now I know my ABCs. A is for alpaca. B is for bats. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for eel. F is for frog. G is for goose. H is for hermit crab. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lemur. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for otter. P is for polar bear. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. S is for shark. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for warthog.
X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us?